our tour, 2013 tour, Project Zulu tour, was wonderful. It was successful in the sense that we wanted to raise funds for solar panels. So now we are able to manage the school, even administration, because we always have electricity.
Project Zulu has done a lot. We want to thank them, and we wish this can continue because we can see the difference that is making to our school.
The current average teacher-pupil ratio is very high. There is no individual attention to the learners because of the high teacher-pupil ratio.
My class is crowded because sometimes it gets very, very hot.
We don't kind of hear right when the teacher is in front of us, when we are sitting at the back. You have to go in her and tell her, I don't understand.
In each class, they are sitting in one desk. They are 3 in a desk. So it's a bit congested. There are many and only a few teachers. The number that we have, the enrollment that we have in our classes, it's too much.
Well, we look forward to 2015, which was great news for us to learn that we are going to undertake 2015 tour to UK again. Well, our main plan is to improve the resources at school in the sense that, more specifically, the classrooms.
Our benefit for the school for the next tour is for us to get more classes, because in our classrooms, as I said, we have a number of 40 to 50.
So now if we put up more classrooms, we'll reduce the teacher-pupil ratio so that learning can be effective.
It does help our learners because they get confidence in everything that they're doing, because it shows them that they can be teachers on their own, teaching them how to dance, how to sing, and also they get confidence and in their language, in English speaking.
We look forward to the 2015 tour because it will help us a lot.
Hi, I'm Tina Stelport, ex-Springbok rugby player and proud South African supporter of Project Zulu. Show us your support by becoming a Project Zulu warrior by following us on Twitter, Facebook, or making a donation.